Hi, my name is Sharath. I am a graduate from Electronics and Communication Engineering. Soon after completion of my graduation, I tried to give government exams for 2 to 3 years, but due to my bad luck, I couldn't succeed there. Then I thought of coming back to IT field. So I was in searching a job in the IT, but due to lack of any technical skills or any upgradation of knowledge of today current market, I was unable to get job. One of my friends suggested me about eVision. eVision is a TechnoServe company. It provided me very good skills like network administration, Windows administration, and ITIL concepts, Linux administration, cyber security, etc. With all these skills, I have upgraded my knowledge to the IT field, and I am happy to tell that I got placed in big MNC called Concentrix with a good high package. So I am thankful to eVision for giving a such an opportunity and helping me to build my career. Thank you, eVision.